will soon deliver you. Mary, did you know that your baby boy will give sight to a blind man? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will calm a storm with his hand? Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels trod? And when you kiss your little baby, you've kissed the face of God. Oh, Mary, did you know? Did you know? The blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again. The lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb. Mary, if you knew how wonderful for you that He'd choose you to bring to us the King of Kings. God bless you, Mary. Mary, did you know that your baby boy is Lord of all creation? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will one day rule the nations? Did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect lamb? The sleeping child you're holding is the great I your baby boy would one day walk on water. Did you know?
So, I can barely carry it, but this is the HomeSense haul that I did for the Nutcracker coffee station. And Biscuit and I are watching the results of the election. So let's see. Again, unfortunately, this is going back, tiny place, and it's expensive, but I'm determined to do these coffee hutch looks, and it's so incredible, just the fun things you can get to create these looks. HomeSense is pretty affordable. if you're in Canada. I think it's in just Canadian, I'm not sure. Luckily, I can use all these candies for a gift giveaway. So it was timed well. Let's focus on the decor. So again, some of these nutcrackers are mine, some of them I borrowed. It reminds me of my travels through Bavaria, the little villages. Some would make nutcrackers, others beautiful pewter crafts, and none of the signs were neon. They had this aesthetic of natural wood. So although there were a lot of really beautiful sparkly Christmas decorations, I tried to find ones that were made of natural wood, including the Christmas trees, which was hard because there was a lot of really sparkly, I'm searching for a white, sparkly, fluffy tree, but I chose trees that were made of natural wood to accompany the Nutcracker theme. I wished I could find more old-fashioned peppermint sticks, but in all different colors, but that's okay. I'm not really doing a Willy Wonka theme. I'm doing a Nutcrackers theme, so that's okay. On this very exciting day in history. And this kind of thing, which again, because of my tiny place, I really can't keep, but it's so sweet. I love it. And it'll be perfect for the Nutcracker coffee hutch.
And there are still some races still undecided.